Hi, I'm back again. I don't know what part this is, but anyway, we got to make
part 6 now.
Yeah, part 6. So we can
Candy yams.
Candy yams. Okay, and this is not my first time.
Homemade
Candy yams.
Yeah, homemade, not
Fresh,
canned.
fresh yams. Fresh yams from the garden.
Yeah. So, not my garden, but somebody's garden. Okay. So right now she's cutting up the yam,
the sweet potatoes.
well, sweet potatoes or whatever. You know, because we want to make sure that what they small.
We're gonna make sure they're nice and tender inside. That way, they're not really overcooked. They cook, but they're not overcooked.
Yeah.
They gotta get twice.
So
cook them twice.
Yeah. So over here is all the ingredients that we're gonna need to make the sauce.
The sauce for the yams.
Sauce for the yams. So yeah. We got the measuring cup. We got orange juice. We got brown sugar. We got
Hold on. There you go.
we have what's this?
Corn syrup.
Corn syrup. We have
Got vanilla extract.
vanilla extract. Oh, wow, I can't even pronounce things right. And we have cinnamon. And
Ground ginger, I think.
and ginger, right?
Nutmeg.
Nutmeg.
Nutmeg. So I told you, my first time cooking. So, soon as she gets done cutting up the what?
Sweet potatoes.
That's so sad. I don't even know. Then we're gonna start mixing up the ingredients. And you only need a small bowl. Of the sauce.
Alright. We good.
So, yeah, I have got the box.
Okay.
So, okay, first, I mean, it doesn't matter what go first, and it matters that you put in the right ingredients. Because you want to overpower it or under, so it'll taste good and not nasty.
So, our first step is we're going to put 2 cups of orange juice.
Okay, and she gonna pour the orange juice for me. So,
Hold the cup. This cup equal 1 cup, but you gotta put 2 of those to equal 2 cups.
and you should always put a cup.
Alright.
One. And this is 2. Alright.
Alright. We're gonna use the same cup.
Same cup.
And we're gonna pour this light corn syrup in it. If I can get it over you two. With a knife.
Okay, y'all. Here we go.
Alright. 2 cups of this.
Ew.
Overflow the bowl, bro.
Want to get this one though?
I was gonna say, since it's, a small group of people, maybe you could cut it in half. today. I have
Okay,
like
that's one. She's gonna get a bigger bowl because we didn't know that it's gonna be a lot. So we're gonna switch the bowls gently. Okay.
That's that corn syrup at the bottom.
Mm-hmm. And make sure you get every drop. If you're gonna transfer your ingredient because your bowl is too small. So make sure you get try to get every drop. That's pretty good.
There we go.
Okay, now I'm gonna pour the last one, right?
You got one more after this.
Oh. Can you cut that in half?
Yeah, you could.
Alright. I'm gonna put
A half a cup.
a half a cup because we don't want to get diabetes and get sick and die. I don't like my stuff that sweet. So
refrigerator still open.
okay. What's next?
Alright, finish with the cup.
Oh, good. It's heavy.
Now, you need a tablespoon of cinnamon. Make sure you put enough on there. There we go. Carry it over. Drop it in. There you go.
And you can always eyeball it, but I don't want to eyeball it because this is my first time doing this.
And a tablespoon of marinade.
Nope. No.
And a tablespoon of vanilla extract. Okay.
Well, that's a little more, but hey.
It means it came out wrong.
What's next?
2 tablespoons of flour. So, need that.
Whew.
Like that. Flour.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.